Hey guys, Scott here in the Eastwood garage with a tool every toolbox needs. The Eastwood 1/2 inch by 18 belt sander. With an 8.5 inch long arm, it's perfect for those difficult to reach areas. Don't have quite the angle you like? No big deal. Loosen the 4mm Allen, adjust the arm to the position you desire and retighten it back down and you're good to go. I can't tell you how many times I use this in the body shop, due to the fact that cars are put together in a specific order and very rarely do you get to take them back apart in that order. This is perfect for those tough to reach areas to grind out old welds or flatten down new welds after you put a new panel in. Swapping belts is simple, and with the industry standard belt size, it means you'll have plenty of grit options to choose from. For more information or to be able to purchase, you can click or tap the button in the corner or you can follow the link that appears on screen.